Do you need to pass your Algebra 1 STAAR test? Well, you came to the right place. In this video, we're going to focus on quadratic, domain, and range. Let's get into it. All right, so what is the range of this function? First of all, we got to dissect our vocabulary. I see the word range, and I know my range is going to be referred to those y values. Now, we have been given an equation here, so we're going to go ahead and type it. So f of x equals negative x squared plus 60x. I'm going to press my home button so I can see. Now I'm going to press the subtraction button until I can see the entire vertex. I need that vertex. What is my vertex going to tell me? If I am throwing a ball in the air, so I can see these 3 points to the graph. Notice the numbers underneath the line. It's kind of like going underneath the ground. We don't really focus on those too much going underneath the ground. So if we're looking at the range, can see the highest that I'm ever going to be able to go. And in this situation, we got to think about eat Y, shade high. Eat Y, shade high. Not eating Y, we're shading low. So in this situation, I'm just going to redraw this graph as a sketch really quick. And we have this sketch right here. And we have 30, 900. Okay. Now we're talking about range. So range is that Y value. So we're going to focus on 900. So I can automatically eliminate A and B because I do not see 900 in either one of those. So I'm looking to see if it's greater or if it's less than or equal to. And those are my clues. Right now, if I'm looking at this and I can go from here. So if I start at 900, I can see the line going down to 500, down to 0, -5. So all of the Y values keep getting less than 900. So that's my answer choice D. And that's how we solve that. Either way, if you can remember my trick, eat Y shade high. So meaning that we would be shading upwards and eating Y is greater than. Let's look at this problem right here. It says, what is the domain? All right, let me make this one a little bit bigger because we won't need decimals for questions like these. So domain, we know we're looking at those X values. The key to this one right here is that this is a discrete graph. Discrete means that we're starting and we're stopping somewhere. And so that's where we're going to need to make us a quick little table. It's going to make it super easy. So this first point right here is at -2, +5. And this point right here is at 3, 0. Okay. Those are our 2 points on our domains. Okay. On those X values. So now we're going to look at the domain, which are our X values. And I can see here is that we're going from -2 to +3. So if I look at my answer choices, I see a -2 and a +3 right here on answer choice D. We have successfully solved for the domain of this function here. All right. Thank you guys for a great video. I'll see you back for the next one.